So let's start with the feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now bring the arms down, take the legs nice and wide. We're going to bring the right arm up, inhale, exhale over to the left, and back to center. So again, inhale, exhale over, maybe a little further, back to center, inhale, and exhale. And come back to center and swap the arms over. Inhale, lengthen up, exhale to the right, back to center, inhale, and exhale, back to center, inhale, and exhale over. Coming back to the middle. Now I'm coming into easy forward bend, so just holding on to the elbows. Bend the knees, let the head drop down. Now inhale, exhale, try and straighten the legs or wherever you get to. Again, deep bend in the knees, inhale, exhale, try and straighten the legs. So one more, deep bend in the knees, inhale, exhale, straighten, and let go of the elbows, hands towards the feet, bend the knees, roll on up through the spine. So balance pose, working on eagle pose. So bring the right leg over the left, tucking the toes round, and just bring the hands to the chest. Just hold and breathe there. And coming out, we'll do the other side. A little bend in that standing leg. Then take the left leg over, tucking the toes around the calf if we can. And just hands to the chest. Coming out, we'll do the arms. We'll take the left arm across, right on top, forearms up, aiming to get the palms together or wherever you get to. Coming down, bring the right arm across, left on top, forearms up, palms together. You just gaze through the hands. Try and steady the breathing. And bring the arms down. So we'll do the arms again. So left across, right on top. So if this time you want a deeper stretch, lift the elbows. Only if it feels okay for you, nothing should hurt. And bring the arms down, right one across, left on top. Forearms up, palms together. And lifting the elbows. And bring the arms down. So we'll add the two together if you want to. So standing on the right, left leg over. can always bring the palms to the chest or bring the left arm across, right on top, palms together. Now, if you want to go further, bring the elbows down towards the knee. Find that new focus point and breathe. Carefully back up. And we'll do the same on the other side. We're standing on the left. Bring the right leg across, tucking the toes round. And right arm first, left one on top. Forearms up, palms together. So either staying in the basic eagle pose, or when you're ready, try and bring the elbow down to the knee. And see if the breathing helps. Try it on a big out breath as you move down. And then try and control back out of the pose. Okay, standing pose. Do triangle pose, so we're turning that left foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled. We're going to be trying to keep that front leg straight, so we engage that front thigh. Bring the arms shoulder level. We'll inhale, exhale to the left, bring the left arm down, right arm up. But keep the body facing forwards, think of that sheet of glass in front and behind. Coming back to center. So again, same side. Inhale, exhale, maybe a little further. So we're trying not to twist. We want to keep the chest open, facing forwards. And coming on up. So one more this side. Inhale, exhale, reach as far as we can. Straighten up through the arms. If it feels okay, look up to the hand and breathe. So if you're holding on to the breath, you're trying too hard. So come on up and we'll do the other side. The same again. 3 on the one side, and let's just start with an easy one. So inhale, exhale to the right. So engaging those core muscles, just warming up that inner thigh. Coming on up, inhale, exhale a little further. And back to center, last one, inhale. Exhale, reach out as far as we can, then bring the hand down. Other one straight up. Check how we feel, and maybe look up to the hand and breathe. And we'll come on up, bring the feet back to hip width, and we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down. Crown up towards the sky, placing one hand on the chest and just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. So if you feel comfortable, just close the eyes for a few breaths. Try and slow the breathing down. And open the eyes, bring the arms down, and we're all done.